Ayan, yan po ang simula ng aming Easter Jubilee Pilgrimage 2025 from Libsong. Nagpunta po kami sa Minor Basilica of St. Gregory the Great at napakasaya. Kaya lang po, napakahaba rin ng sakripisyo. Hindi pa po tapos ang Holy Week. Kaya ngayon, nagpipinitensya po kami para maging pilgrims. But kidding aside, this was fun and got to see different basilicas, different churches from Laguna, Quezon, and Batangas. So the most important thing was we spent a lot of time sa mga kasamahan namin po sa San Lorenzo Ruiz Quasi Parish. Like I said, from Libsong, Santa Maria, Pangasinan. Ayan po, inakyat namin yung kamay ni Jesus. And there's probably about 300 steps. They call it 300 steps. But to get up there, kailangan pong napakahaba pa na ano. Ayan si Father dyan, no? Nakita ko siya halfway up to the kamay ni Jesus. And then we saw each other again up at the very top, right there. He made it to the top. But this is his third time. Kaya okay na sa kanya. Mas madali. Pero yan po ang view na napakaganda. Yan, nasa taas na po ako. Kasama ko si Edric. Yan, ang view from the top to the bottom. And he made it too. And most of all, Ida made it as well. So, maganda po.